guys, welcome back to Ms.TeesDollroom, and today we are going to do another male doll. I told you guys my doll room looks like a warehouse, so we're going to unbox and review another dude. And today's dude is Desert Wind's Tajinder Chowdhury fashion figure, the Monarch's Home Atmosphere Collection. These dolls were a limited edition of 625. They debuted on September 27, 2020. That's when they were revealed. And they had a suggested retail pricing of $175. Now, these days when you find them on eBay, they go upwards of $250, $300, $350, and so on. And they were only available from Integrity Toys dealers. They were not lottery dolls or W Club exclusives. So, today's doll features a repurposed sculpt, the Callum sculpt from the Color Infusion and Hom's line, and they have used this sculpt to make this Tajinder and his brother Dalpender, and we will do Dalpender in another video. His body type is Monarch's 1.0. He has a light honey skin tone. His hair is black flocking. He does not have the quick switch, and nor does he have eyelashes. So we're going to get into this guy and get him out of the box and talk about all the wonderful things about this doll. Okay, so we're back. We've got him out of the shipper, and I'll go ahead and open the box and let you guys see a look of what he looks like in the box. So this is Tajinder, and for short we're going to call him Taj. And I think he's a handsome guy. I like his skin tone. I like the faded beard that he has. Looks like he has brown hazel-like eyes. Yeah, that's a good picture of him. I think he's very handsome. Very handsome. And he is wearing this cotton linen beige shirt. It looks off-white, and then we have like this linen tweed looking tan vest and matching pants, and they have a cuff, and he has a hat, and we'll get out all of his accessories to take a closer look. Now, these are the first male dolls that they've done of East Indian descent, so I really appreciated the diversity and the thought that came into designing these dolls. And let me just say, of course, you know, I'm a fan of the Monarch's box. Love the deep blue color and the emblem. I think they're very male, very sexy, and I do appreciate the box. So I like to give credit where credit is due to Alain for designing the box. And let's see, what do we have here? So we have his hat. And it's a different fabric than the pants, but it goes nicely. So we'll get all of these accessories and get this guy out of the box. And there's a full-length look of him. There we go. Okay, so let's get him out of the box. Okay, so we've got all of his pieces and parts out of the box. And we have him loose. So he has these breezy linen trousers with matching sleeveless vest, loose fitting linen shirt, micro tweed flat cap, Wayfarer sunglasses, mini hoop earrings, micro chain necklace, brocade slide slippers. And that would be these. And these are really nice. I really love the print and the fabric on these. And I hope that they will make a female fashion using this fabric. And let's see, braided bracelet, bespoke timepiece, chiffon scarf, and alternate pair of hands. And of course he comes with the lovely Monarch stand and his certificate of authenticity, which says, let's see if I can get a shot of that for you. My doll is 256 out of 625, so right in the middle. And I'll have some pictures up on the screen so you guys can take a look at those. So let's get the little pieces and parts out and take a look. Okay, so for a closer look for the accessories, this is his hat, micro tweed hat. And this is the scarf. I actually like the fabric of the scarf as well. Wouldn't mind seeing that in a female doll fashion. And these are his great shoes. I really like the fabric. It's like a very pale blue and tan, maybe fawn colored beige brocade print. Love the buckles. Has like a little suede like leather like trim on them, and they're just slides. And there's the bottoms. Love the shoes. Love the variety. And this is his bespoke timepiece, his watch. It was really nicely done with a dark blue face on it. And these are the sunglasses. And they are hinged, so they will fold in. And he has two little hoop earrings. They're silver. And he has this like dog tag type necklace, silver chain. That's really nicely done. And then this is the little woven bracelet, cord bracelet here. All right, and we have a little pack of pins to stick the hat on, which I will never use. And so let's get him all dressed up. Okay, so these are his shoes, and they fit pretty snugly, so I don't think they're going to fall off of him. And we're going to put his little woven bracelet on this arm. Alright. Let's get his watch on. And his sunglasses. And with the Monarch dolls, I think the designer's vision was to have a lot of layered pieces and everything, so I appreciate the attention to detail and the watches and the male jewelry. You know, I like that you can get a lot of extra pieces. Make sure I have the watch all the way on. Fits nicely. Looks good on his wrist. And we will get his jewelry on. I am definitely going to pierce his ears, but I'm only going to pierce one ear. I'm going to use that extra earring for another male doll that I have. There we go. I'm trying to get the jewelry free without breaking any of the little fine chain and everything like that. So let me get his jewelry on him and I'll be right back. Okay, so we're back. I have his jewelry on him and his one earring in his ear because I'm going to totally use that other earring for another male doll of mine. I want to show you his flocking. He does have a little flat spot. It's kind of shiny right there. That's from being in the box for all these years. It'll be 3 years this September, wow, that I've had him. So I'm pleased. I am happy. He is so handsome. Like his facial features. And I like the lip color that they chose for this male doll. I opened up his shirt a little. For someone so casual, he's just a little too buttoned up. Love the texture of the shirt and the pieces. I look forward to mixing and matching these with other parts of my mom's wardrobe. Love the watch. And let me zoom in on that for you. Love the watch. The watch is really nice. Looks like little individual links in the chain, the watch band. And this is a look at his woven bracelet, woven cord bracelet. And I want to show you his shoes. Love the colors. Isn't that pretty? Very nice. Love the shoes. I could see him with that same blue, some satin pajamas. That would be nice to lounge around in. So I'm going to get him on the stand, guys. Okay, and I forgot to show you guys the extra hands. Nice to have an extra pair. And this is his scarf to go around his neck. Okay, now I can show you him on the stand. Okay, and one more thing I wanted to show you was the waistband of his pants. They're almost like they're elastic with a drawstring. And he does have working pockets. And they have the little back pockets that are just for effect on the back. And they have the belt right here in his vest. Lots of nice little details. So I wanted to show you those details before I got him on his stand. Now his stand is a little wobbly. I'm not sure why. Previous stands that I have from the Monarch line were very snug. They fit very snug down in here, but this one does not. So I'm going to have to hot glue it in permanently so that it will stay put. You see how wobbly it is? So right now that's my first not positive critique of this doll. Okay guys, so I have him with his scarf around his neck, holding his hat, wearing his nice shoes. Loving those shoes. All in all of his fashion pieces were very nicely done. I appreciate the neutral colors of them. Lightweight linen and tweed fabrics. Excuse me. The vest is lined. Has the little buttons right here. Buttons on the shirt. Iron hook closures in everything. The vest and the shirt. And he is hand speak, and he is extremely handsome. Love him in his shades and his one earring, his watch, and his corded bracelet. And yes, his brothers from the previous video are still on the set. They are accompanying him for his debut into Ms.TeesDollroom. So there you have it. I have a gaggle of guys. I don't think I've ever bought this many male fashion dolls since I've been collecting fashion royalty, but they have been really well done. The Monarch dolls are more expensive, but I like the fact that you get more pieces of clothing so that I can use them with the rest of the dolls I already have. So hope you like this guy. I'm going to give him a spin around on the turntable. I like to see one of these guys with this face mold and skin tone with brown eyes and curly hair. Nice curly, little short afro, a curly fade. That would be really nice. And in some type of Bollywood wear. That would be a great theme for a collection for girls and guys. He looks like he's visiting over in Southeast Asia somewhere. So he'll make a great addition to my doll family. Okay guys, so thank you so much for coming back to Ms.TeesDollroom and checking out my unboxing review of Tajinder Desert Winds from the Monarch Collection 2020. And he's standing here with a couple of his shelf mates, the new Augustus Blake and an oldie but goodie playing it cool Darius, wearing some exclusively R&D platinum Louis Vuitton fashion. So can't wait to do a little more mixing and matching, but join me in my next video. I'm going to unbox and review Taj's brother, Dalpinder, and we'll get into that in the next video. Thank you for watching. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you, and goodbye.